I guess welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you TApo C425 versus TApo C420. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video for more this type of content. And watch the video till the end. Here you will see this is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about resolution. 425 provided 2K QHD 2560 into 1440 resolution, and it is also provided by 420, so both are equal. Now let's look at the field of view. 25 provided 150-degree diagnostical field of view, and 20 provided 113-degree diagnostical view. So 25 is better. Now let's look at the night vision. 25 provided color night vision with starlight sensor, and 20 provided full color night vision with starlight sensor. So both are equal. Now let's look at the battery life. 25 provided up to 300 days with 10,000 mAh battery, and 20 provided up to 180 days with 6,700 mAh battery. So 25 is better. Now let's look at the weather resistance. 25 provided IP66 and 20 provided IP65 weather resistance. So 25 is better. Now let's look at the AI detection. In 25, person pet vehicle detection is available, and it is also available on 20, so both are equal. Now let's look at the two-way audio. Yes, this feature is available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the local storage. In 25, support micro SD card up to 512 GB, and in 20 require hub for micro SD storage, hub sold separately. So 25 is better. Now let's look at the smart integration. In 25, Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant is supported, and it is also supported on 20, so both are equal. Now let's look at the mounting options. In 25, magnetic base for flexible installation, and in 20, standard mounting base is available, so 25 is better. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.